Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you have a good day, my friends. So finally friends, today we are talking about the Polygon Matic is going to the moon. Really? Oh my god, really Polygon is going to the moon? And are you ready to the moon or not? First of all, my friends, tell me in the comment box, are you ready to the moon or not? Tell me in the comment box. I want your answer in my comment box, my friends. Anyways, let's start the video. But before starting this video, before going ahead, please click the subscribe and also like this video, my friends. So finally friends, now the current price of the Polygon Matic in the market is 0.843207 USD dollar. That is the dollar price of the Polygon Matic in the market. And furthermore, my friends, you know what, I really impressed from the last one day changes of the Polygon Matic, because so when I saw the yesterday changes of the Polygon Matic, so I understand that now Polygon Matic is going to the moon and they are on the way. Polygon Matic is the sky rocket, my friends. The changes is continuously, and still, my friends, that is the good news for all of you, that still the price changes of the Polygon Matic is positive, my friends. The last one day, last 1 hour changes of the Polygon Matic is positive. That's why I'm feeling very satisfied. I'm feeling very good about the Polygon Matic, my friends. Let me show you the more details about the Polygon Matic. Let's see the price chart. Oh my goodness, you can see here, my friends, I'm talking about this changes, my friends. You can see here, everybody understand when this kind of jump, you can see here that I'm talking about this quick jump, my friends. So when I see this quick jump of the Polygon Matic, so finally friends, I understand that now they are going to the moon, and Polygon Matic will make you millionaire, my friends. But unfortunately, after some passage of time, the price is again falls down for later time. But now the latest situation is again going good, my friends. So I'm positive about Polygon Matic, and also you tell me in a comment box that how do you feel today about the Polygon Matic. Just tell me your opinion, your feeling in a comment box, my friends. And my friends, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos, my friends.